Welcome. In front of me is a Poco M6 Pro, and today I will show you how you can copy contacts from a SIM card to the phone. So to get started, you want to open up your standalone contacts application, like this one. Navigate to Fix and Manage, but before I do so, I'm just going to quickly mention that right now you're seeing these contacts, all of them, from my Google account, which will come as an info later on. So anyway, we're going to select Fix and Manage, and then we're going to select Manage SIM. This will in turn display all your contacts that are located on the SIM card. Now for me, most of them are deselected because they already exist in the location where the device is trying to import them to, which is the Google account. Now, truth be told, all of these contacts actually exist there, so the device doesn't really know how to, differentiate them all. Maybe just the way the number is structured that it's just get confused, but whatever. Now, if we change the location to something like, for instance, the device, you can see that all the contacts will become selected, and I can also deselect some of them that I, for instance, may not want. Now, from here, we can select Import. This will ask us this stupid question if we want to remove contacts, and the simple answer here is no, we don't. So you want to select Keep. Now, the reason you want to keep your contacts is because you already have them on your SIM card, so you might as well keep them. They don't get in your way. If we go into contacts list, as you can see, there's no contacts visible from the SIM card. You can display them by going here and selecting SIM, but without actually going this extra step, they never get in your way, and they are there as a safety net if something would ever happen to your device and you need to swap your SIM card to a new phone. Now additionally, we can also now select the device which previously wasn't visible there, and you can see here are the contacts that I have imported. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.